Hey, let me show you how you can change size of your status bar and navigation buttons on the Redmi Note 15. So just to quickly show you how it may looks like the smallest option, the biggest option. Take a look, it's super huge right now. So we got actually two options to do this, and the first one you already find by using this developer options. And first of all, go to the About phone. Now you have to go to the OS version and keep tapping on it quickly to enable the developer options. Now go back and you have to scroll all the way down, open the additional settings, go to the accessibility, open vision, and here go to the display size. As you can see over here, when you apply those changes, everything will be changed, just like this. So this is the first option that will allow us to do this, but if you want to make something even bigger or smaller, you can do this by opening the developer options that will be available in the additional settings when you scroll all the way down. And right now, when you scroll also like all the way down, all the way down, and now we have to go a little bit just over here. We have to go for the DPI settings that should be available somewhere here. There we go. And when you input here the 100 and click OK, as you can see, it's even gonna be bigger. So this is the two options to do that. I hope you find that video useful.